how to add app on Zendesk. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an app to Zendesk to boost your support capabilities and streamline your workflow. So let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to zendesk.com. Click on the sign in button, and if prompted again, just click it once more. Enter your email and password, then press enter or click sign in to access your dashboard. Now, click on the product icon at the top right corner and select Admin Center. In the Admin Center, find and click on Apps and Integrations. This is where you can browse apps to expand Zendesk's functionality. Next, under Apps and Integrations, click Zendesk Support Apps, then look to the right side and click Marketplace. You'll now be in the Zendesk Marketplace. Browse the available apps, choose the one that fits your needs, and click Install. And that's it. Your app is now added to Zendesk. Adding the right apps can save time, automate tasks, and help your support team work smarter. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Zendesk tutorials.